Hey everybody, Dave Novak, Prevention Pest Control. Mike and I are doing a couple quick videos today on mice because that is the flavor of the season right now. So one of the things we like to point out too is if you've got a garage, whether it's detached like this or a garage that is attached to your home, other than an air conditioning line, another real good spot to check for mice is in the garage. They will sneak up under the molding of the garage doors and get in that way. So what we recommend is, if you hire a pest control company, you'll see stuff like this. These are bait boxes that guys like me will use. We open them up, put bait in them, and these things go in the corners of the garage. So a lot of times if I go somewhere and I'm doing a pest inspection, I can tell if somebody had a service 2 or 3 years ago from somebody because they're going to have this. You don't buy these at Lowe's and Home Depot. These are normally things that guys like me buy in a gross amount. So what happens is you go to somebody's house and it'll be sitting there in the corner like that. You know, so the mouse runs in, eats on the one end, runs out the other. This one's a nice one because it's clear so you can see if it needs bait or if you had to add any or if it's been eaten or not. A lot of times we'll just go to a house, set it right there. Mouse runs into one side, chews it in the other. This is, if you go to any hardware store, you'll see this. This is Tomcat makes these. I'm sure you've seen these before. The loose bait like the decon that we all used to buy years ago, they're trying to get away from that because you can't retrieve the bait. So most of the time now, you get a piece of plastic like this. The mouse runs in here, chews the bait, and runs back out. So what I always recommend, if you don't have a pest control company, get yourself some bait stations like this. Put them in the corners of the garage. The last thing you need is a wiring problem on your car or things destroyed on a shelf. Don't mess with that. Just put this stuff out, be done with it, and wait for spring to come along. Until next time, we'll see you next